Hello everyone and hello friend. Now I am in Lungkak. So now I'm with student in Compass Exclusive Yadaro 2 in Pijot, and now I'm in Lungkak for playing football, and this see you see guys. Now I'm in futsal for playing football guys, and now the time is 3 and 41 p.m. This time is prayer asar, and uh, now maybe I wanna playing football in here, and I'm playing with all sudden not all sudden but sudden exclusive Yadar 2 Yadar 2 Pijat, and in here this is in Lungkak. I'm in Lungkak guys, you know Lungkak. Yes, in Lungkak there are BTN and
Ay, putin niya man. Dapat dia. Saligon. Ay, kaya nakandit mo. BS. Ini mau stick. Stick. Boleh. Dere.
Hindi man naman halaso. Hindi man naman halaso. Ano yun? Main, puas-puas to. Oh? Hala kan?
Arwan Adit.
Ara.
Galon beli.
Ara galon. Derajat galon. Nah, ini ada suka guru motor. And in Lungkak, not only futsal guys, but in Lungkak a lot of BTN and Lungkak Beach guys, Lungkak Beach in here. So uh, I'm very sleepy guys because start from night I'm sleep not good, and start from morning I don't sleep guys because a lot of working, and until now guys, I'm with all with student. Uh, I'm invite student exclusive for futsal, guys. And now I'm in Lungkak. Maybe 30 people, guys. And for me, futsal in Lungkak not good because nothing bedroom and nothing chair, guys, for sit. And but in Lungkak beautiful is beach Lungkak is beautiful, guys. And ticket for uh, for and price ticket in here is uh, two 2,000 rupiah, or maybe now 5,000 rupiah, guys. This is price, not expensive price. But all of you in Beach Lungkak, not only for view, but in Beach Lungkak you can mada, or in Indonesian language, in Lombok language is mada, guys. I don't know in English language, maybe in English nothing people mada, yes, maybe nothing, guys. And maybe in Indonesian mada, I don't know, guys. I don't know in Indonesian mada, but I know Sasak language is mada. Or you search the apa sih, kerang, or in Lombok language is basi. So now maybe I'm in Lungkak until 5 p.m. o'clock, and we playing football 2 hours. And but and up before I'm go to Lungkak, I'm go to home my Ustad Muhammad Mahdi. And in here in home my Ustad, I'm take gabah, or in English language is rice. And I'm take use the car, and I'm take 5 quintal rice, guys. And I'm bring to Pijot in Atuan Hot. And in Pijot I'm lunch, and I'm break because nothing help me for take gabah, guys, take rice. And I'm tired, and I'm break in Pijot. And and in 2 p.m. And 30 p.m. o'clock, I'm go to Lungkak for bring student for playing football. Eh, you borrow motorcycle in Mister for buy drink. Singgah mantap dia. Alah,
Halo.
ada beli anu, ada beli air. Kena biar pecah. You want to see sudden war playing football, guys? See, guys.
Ini ahli. Ada doang ahli bare.
Ay botol sekian ko na anu naman. Diyan na anta. Ucup, touting juga kak. Touting. Gaya ejek-ejekan. Apa bahasa bola aja? Hah?
Berasi.
Oh, selebrasi.
Langit-langit nih. Berapa, Cak? Biru.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope all of you as well. See you next time. Okay, bye bye and enjoy your day.